Today here we're doing some tiling, a bit of external crack repairs, make good ready for pre-sale. So here our client has requested that we had to remove any cracked and chipped tiles. Consists of cutting out grout lines, removing existing tile, scraping back glue, applying new glue, and then applying the new tile. Once these tiles go off, we'll re-grout them with a matching coloured grout. Should come up looking good as new. So entry here, we had some damaged tiles underneath the sliding door, which was a little bit tricky to get out, but we got there in the end. They've all been laid yesterday. Through here we've had to do a couple of cuts around lights, couple of damaged tiles through here. Pretty much around the whole property there's been cracked tiles from slight bit of movement or whatnot, weather change. We also replaced sill tiles to the entry to the storeroom. They're ready for grout now. So here the client had a section of 40mm pipe that used to hang out of the ground, which was quite an eyesore. Originally there was a waterfall of some kind. We had to remove the tile that was around it and then cut down the pipe and then cap it, and then that'll get a new tile over the top of it eventually, and yeah, you'll never know it was even there. So once our glue goes off, generally overnight, we'll come back and yeah, we'll re-grout everything tomorrow that's been laid today, and then have everything finished on Monday. Is the plan.